How to hide or unhide Instagram stories from specific users. Hi guys, let's get started. If you want to hide your Instagram story from specific users or unhide them, you can take the following steps. First, open your Instagram profile and now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. And now in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Then select Story. In the Story menu, you will see an option labeled Hide Story From. Tap on it. Now you can search for the username of the user that you want to hide your story from. Once you have found them, tap on the username to add them to the list. Once you have added all the users you want to hide your story from, tap on the back icon and it will be saved. And with this, the story will be hidden from the selected users. Now if you change your mind and want to unhide your story from a user, go back to the Hide Story From menu and simply unselect the name to remove them from the list. That's it. Now your Instagram story will be hidden from the users you selected and they won't be able to see it. If you want to show your story to them again, just remove their name from the Hide Story From list. So this was a tutorial on how to hide or unhide stories from specific users. I really hope this video is going to help you out and thank you for watching till the end.